Here's a quick step-by-step guide to book your cabin in just a few clicks. Click the Book Now button on our pricing page by visiting mediterraneanmetalcruise.com/pricing. For the best experience, we recommend using Firefox or Chrome. Keep in mind that you have two payment options during checkout, partial or full payment. We'll provide more details on this later in this guide. On the top center, click the Book Now button. You have 20 minutes to complete the reservation at this stage. Otherwise, you'll need to start from the beginning. Choose your cabin type: single occupancy for solo travelers, double occupancy for two persons, and so on. On the next page, you can add optional extras such as additional onboard credit or the shuttle bus by selecting the add-ons at the top. If you prefer, these extras can also be added later, closer to the sailing date. Then choose your preferred cabin option. Each option shows the full price for all guests in that cabin, along with a clear description. Please note that the price displayed is the total for the entire cabin, not per person. Below the cabin options, you will see a breakdown of your total cost, including the fare and the applicable 8% booking fee, shown separately. You are not required to pay the full amount now. Only the $300 per person deposit is due today, and the remaining balance will be paid later according to your selected payment schedule. Choose the option that aligns with your preferences and click Next. Please be mindful that, whether at this stage, a previous stage, or later, if you need to navigate back, use this blue Back button at the bottom and not your browser's Back button to ensure a smooth process, avoiding any disruption to the flow. Now, complete the fields with your personal traveler information and that of any guests included in the same reservation, if applicable. Please ensure that your full name, date of birth, and citizenship match the details shown in your passport. If you do not have a passport yet, you may enter TBD for the passport number and select any placeholder dates for the date of issue and expiry. These details can be updated later once your passport information is available. In this section, you can also specify bedding preferences, dietary requirements for each guest, and communicate any other special requests or needs you may have. Mandatory fields are marked with a red asterisk, and optional fields can be left empty if not applicable. Once you've reviewed the information and accepted the terms and conditions, proceed by clicking Next. Moving to the payment page, review your details and select your preferred payment option: Pay in full or pay in part. If you choose pay in part, the system will automatically show the minimum required amount for this booking. For example, $600 total at this stage. You may edit this amount and pay more upfront if you wish. Any amount above the minimum, for example, $700, $1,000, is accepted, and your remaining balance will be adjusted accordingly. Until March 8th, you can secure your booking with $300 per person, totaling $600 for double occupancy. After March 8th, it increases to $600 per person, amounting to $1,200 at booking, and so on. For full details, see our payment plans at mediterraneanmetalcruise.com/payment-plans. Once you've confirmed your payment amount and method, input your card details and click Submit. Your cabin for this incredible metal adventure is now secured. Welcome on board.